Then next, very important named reaction and that is Perkin reaction. Here, in the case of Perkin reaction, and here aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes, which is treated with anhydride. Anhydride. Anhydride in the presence of salt of same acid, which is nothing but sodium salt of acetic acid, treated with to form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Here there is a formation of alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Here Perkin reaction, aromatic aldehydes. Here aromatic aldehydes which are treated with anhydrides in the presence of salt of same acid to form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acids. And the mechanism for this reaction is Here involved mechanism is here first of all, which is split into CH3 COO minus and Na plus ion. CH3 COO minus and Na plus ion, that acetate ion, which is formed acetate ion. Acetate ion. The formed acetate ion extract the H plus from that anhydride ion. Here there is a formation of compound like this, that is CH2 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. There is a hydrogen here which abstract that H plus ion, which is converted into C minus kada. Minus అనేటువంటిది H plus తీసుకున్నట్లయితే here converted into carbonate ion CH2 minus and C double bond O. There is a C double bond O CH3 linkage, which is converted into acetic acid like this, CH3 COOH. Here formed carbene ion, which is carbene ion. The formed carbene ion is treated with aromatic aldehyde. That means here C double bond OH plus this one is CH2 minus C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Here minus is treated with here there is a O minus ion. The formed compound like this, that is C O minus and H. There is CH2 and C double bond O C double bond O CH3 here. Further, next protonation. Protonation from that formed carboxylic acid, protonation, which is converted into like this. On protonation, which is converted into OH and CH2H, C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Here there is a loss of water molecule. There is a water molecule loss to form compound like this, that is CH double bond CH C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Further on hydrolysis H2 యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇది ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ అవుతుందండి. అంటే ఇక్కడ H ఇక్కడికి OH వచ్చినట్లయితే ఫైనల్లీ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ CH C double bond O CH C double bond O CH COOH. Here it is CH3 COOH formation జరుగుతుంది. CH3 COOH formation జరుగుతుంది. This is the Perkin reaction. In the Perkin reaction, what happens here? Aromatic aldehyde, which is treated with anhydride, acetic anhydride, in the presence of same salt of carboxylic acid to form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Here the name of the acid is cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid అనేటువంటిది ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి. ఎలాగా here ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏం జరిగిందమ్మా, ఇది వాట్స్ కింద యానియన్ కింద బేస్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ఫార్మ్డ్ కార్బో ఎసిటేట్ అయాన్ అనేటువంటిది ఏదైతుందో అది H+ అయాన్ తీసుకుని యాసిడ్ కింద కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యి మనకి కార్బన్ అయాన్ ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. దట్ ఫార్మ్డ్ కార్బన్ అయాన్ is reacted with aromatic aldehyde group. There is a unsaturation is developed. That unsaturation is developed further on hydrolysis to form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. This is the mechanism for this Perkin reaction. Then very very important reaction, Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction. Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction. For that Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction, we have to take ketone RC111O is treated with alcohol. Ester RC111O to form RC111O OR. Here we have to take which is a benzene ring. Including that there is a formation of compound like this COOH. Here in that Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, what happened here? Ketone is reacted with perbenzoic acid. Here the name of the compound is perbenzoic acid. Perbenzoic acid, and oxygen in that perbenzoic acid shifted to that ketonic group. What happens here? Oxygen of that perbenzoic acid is shifted to that ketonic group. There is a formation of ester molecule here. Actually, it is split into like this. This benzene ring the mechanism చూసినట్లయితే ఎలా ఉంటదంటే it is C6H5 COO minus, including that H+ ion is formed. And that H+ ion is abstracted by the ketonic group RC=O R plus H+. The lone pair of electrons on that oxygen are with this one. There is a formation of compound like this, that is RCOH and R. It is a minus ion. H+, that means bonded electrons are migrated towards this one. That's why here instead of minus there is a positive charge is approaching here. That positive charge is compensated by this one. There is a formation of compound like this, that is RCOH and R there is O C double bond O C6 H prime. Here minus C6H5 COO COO minus, which is converted into like this R C OH and R here మొత్తం ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అని ఎలా షిఫ్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి which is O plus, that O plus is shifted to that affected by R, then which is converted into R C OH and OR. There is a double bond formation between, ఇలా ఎప్పుడైతే జరిగిందో అక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే డబుల్ బాండ్ ఫార్మేషన్ జరుగుతుందండి. ఇదేంటట్లయితే విచ్ ఇస్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ H ప్లస్ RC double bond O and OR formation. Minus that means which is abstracted by this one. ప్లస్ ఇలా ఒకసారి చూస్తేనమ్మా బెంజాయిన్ అనేది బేయర్ వినిగర్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఏం జరుగుతుందో ఒకసారి చెప్తాం. హియర్ ketone is reacted with this one. There is a proton from that this compound. There is a formation of carbocation. The carbocation attacked that there is a peroxy linkage compound. From that bond electrons, by taking this one, it is eliminated as a O minus ion. Here is a O plus ion. That O plus ion is R minus, which is attached to that, it is converted into OR. There is a positive ion, that means carbocation is formed. The carbocation is stabilized by that bonded electron between oxygen and carbon. There is a double bond formation between this one. Here oxygen is migrated to that lesser oxidation state carbon atom, which is Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction. Then very important reaction, that is Melvin-Pondorf-Velley reduction reaction. ఇకనే ముందు Cannizzaro reaction. Here Cannizzaro reaction do not have alpha hydrogens in. Alpha hydrogens does not containing aldehydes or ketones. Self oxidation and reduction. There is a formation of one of the compound is converted into alcohol, other is converted into salt of carboxylic acid. Salt of acid. Here for this reaction we have to take HCHO, 2 molecules తీసుకున్నాను. Here weak acid is enough. That is, it may be KOH, weak base. Here, in the case of this one of the carbonyl compound is converted into alcohol. Alcohol. Other one is converted into salt of carboxylic acid, which is reduction, and other one is oxidized to salt of carboxylic acid. OK, which is potassium salt of carboxylic acid. Mechanism for this reaction. Here, mechanism for this reaction is which is split into K plus and OH minus. Here, OH minus is attacked that one of the aldehyde molecule plus OH minus. There is a reaction, that is, in the first step there is conversion of H, OH and HO minus. That formed O minus which is added at the second one, HCO minus and OH, there is H less C double bond O, H and OH. Bonded electron migrated towards this one, that hydride ion H minus ka transfer avutundi. Then bond electron shifted towards HC OH, sorry, here between this one and this one there is a OH formation plus O minus and H. Here H plus is transferred to that carbon, which is converted into HC double bond O minus plus, which is converted into directly alcohol. Second one by extracting that K plus ion, which is converted into C double bond O, okay, which is salt of carboxylic acid. This is the mechanism for that Cannizzaro reaction. Got it? మేజర్గా Cannizzaro రియాక్షన్ అనేటువంటిది ఈ రకంగా జరుగుతుంది. ఇది తర్వాత మెర్విన్ పాండ్రాఫ్ వెల్లీ రిడక్షన్ అనే ఒక రియాక్షన్ మంచిది. మెర్విన్ పాండ్రాఫ్ వెల్లీ రిడక్షన్ ఇక్కడేం తీసుకుంటామంటే ఈ యొక్క కీటోన్ అనేటువంటిది ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ కీటోన్ ఐసోప్రొపైల్ ఆల్కహాల్. ఐసోప్రొపైల్ అంటే CH3CH2 in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide అంటే CH3CHO thrice. It is nothing but isopropoxide అంటే linkage like this. Which is aluminum isopropoxide. Hence there is a conversion of alcohol, conversion of ketone to alcohol. Here this is converted into C double bond వల్ల దీని కింద పడవుతుందంటే RH కింద మారిపోతుంది alcohol. That converted into CH3 C double bond O and CH3. Here mutual conversion of alcohol to ketone to alcohol. This reaction is called Mervin-Pondorf Willi reduction. ఇక్కడతో ఈ చాప్టర్ కూడా క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. దీంట్లో మీరు మెయిన్గా చదవాల్సిన నేమ్ రియాక్షన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. మీకు మెకానిజం ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నట్లయితే నన్ను అడిగితే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను తర్వాత. క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత నేను మళ్ళీ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను.